What's going on, guys? TheConfortiBrothers here, and this is going to be a good video. First off,
we got the E55 back, Nick.
Well, we got the E55 back. It's right here. Sorry, I look like a bum. Wasn't supposed to make a video, but
look at this shirt. Come on, man.
This is my dress down stuff. I wasn't supposed to wear this.
I got this clean T-shirt on. Tennis warehouse. Look.
Yeah, but both our hats are dirty.
No, my hats.
Oh, it don't matter. We weren't supposed to make a video today, but we got the E55 back, and
we haven't made a lot of E55 videos lately.
Yeah, it's been at the garage for a while. We got the E55 back. We're looking through our paperwork on what we paid them to not do, and we're like, well,
we didn't pay them nothing. They gave us a good deal.
Oh yeah, well, we dropped off for a week, told them to look at it. They really didn't do much, but you won't believe the reason. So,
well, first off, tell them why we brought it in.
All right, so we brought the car in last week ago, yeah.
Saturday, yeah.
Last Saturday, today's Monday. We brought it to them, and the oil was leaked. We had a lot of oil leaking on the bottom, and we figured out that it was coming from the main.
I figured it out.
Matt figured it out, yeah, from the oil filter housings, that thing. It was a lot of oil leaking there all over the place in the engine bay, making a mess. So we're like, we got to get that fixed.
I think they saw the last video. We changed the belt.
Yeah,
it was dripping all over the serpentine belt.
Yeah. So oil making a mess of the engine bay. So we're like, we'll get that fixed. Have them take a look at it and get an oil change, and then fix our steering wheel. We'll show you that too, because it was a mess. We had that fixed.
I don't know if I got a clip of that or not. We'll put a picture in or something.
Yeah, we'll throw a picture.
Yeah, you guys remember the steering wheel on top was like completely chewed up. Like
we'll throw the overlay of it before and after.
Yeah.
But anyway, so that, and then we have a gas tank issue. So let's start with the gas tank issue. So you guys know previously the car had the raw gas smell coming from the engine bay.
Still does.
Still does. They never could figure that out. We had it to like 10 different mechanics. No one knows what's wrong with it.
Well, I think part of the problem is nobody knows what it is unless they seriously do a lot of digging in, and we don't want to pay someone 10 hours worth of diagnostics just to tell us that hey, there's nothing wrong with it, because
camera's heavy.
The dealership swears there's nothing wrong with the car. They've literally looked at it and they said we cannot find anything.
Yeah, well,
they're the experts.
That doesn't matter.
Experts,
that doesn't matter. So they changed the gas tank because it was under the factory warranty, so they changed it. Good. It didn't do anything.
Yeah.
But ever since they changed the gas tank about 2 months ago, now every time we fill up our car, whether it's full, half a tank, I guess you wouldn't fill it up when it's full, but whether it's empty or half a tank, as soon as you put the thing in and you squeeze the nozzle all the way, as soon as you put it in and squeeze, the damn thing overflows all over the car.
I'll put a little clip here I record on my phone, so sorry if the quality's bad. Literally, the tank could be completely empty. We'll put the gas nozzle in. We'll start pumping. Give it 10 seconds, and it'll literally start overflowing.
Yeah, the first time
it'll start overflowing.
The first time this happened, I'm filling up the gas tank. I had it on, the cruise control. You just set it there.
Had on cruise.
And I'm over here making an Instagram post. Probably put it on the Instagram page. Follow us at TheConfortiBrothers. I look underneath the car, and there's oil all over the damn floor. Let me show you this. Not oil, gasoline action. Let me show you. So over here, come to the tank. Pretty good. So we're filling it.
Let me pretend as if we're doing it now, right?
Yeah, go and show Matt.
Got the gas tank here. What is this? Is it Exxon Mobil station?
Yeah, something like that.
We're at the filling station. I'm gonna put the cap here, right? Put the cap in there. I'm gonna grab the nozzle. I'm gonna put the nozzle in.
So as soon as you do that,
and we're just chilling, right? And then literally all side of gas started just flowing out.
And it was flowing out and underneath through here, and it made a mess all over the floor right here.
I mean, it's gonna smell. Yeah, but
yeah, it made a mess.
Yeah, so we were just like, what the heck's going on? So we went in the car because we thought maybe it was full. We just didn't know. Went in the car, looked, and there's a quarter tank of gas in there. We're like, what the heck's going on?
It was overflowing, and it just you'll see because Matt probably had he already put that overload, not overload, but he placed that video there, so you'll see
and we thought maybe this is maybe this is just a little hiccup or something. So next time we went to get gas, same thing, and then literally every single time we put gas in now, that's what it does. You squeeze it, count to 5, and literally starts overflowing. You have to stop, let it settle down a little bit, squeeze it again, and then it overflows again, and then literally, that's how you put gas in. You have to let it overflow and then go back in. But what we try to do is, we try not to let it drip all over the paintwork so it doesn't, burn the clear coat.
So back to what we were talking about at the beginning. We're all over the place today.
This video's sloppy.
It's a sloppy video. But anyway, so you won't believe it. Let's walk over here because you get better lighting.
The car looks, I don't care about your face.
The car looks good. Look at that. The tents. We're going to get those redone. Well, anyway, so we get the car back today. Well, let's first. They didn't do all they did on the car while they had it for a week was they fixed the steering wheel, which they didn't do it. They
outsourced that.
Yeah, they outsourced that. So
I'll tell you what, they did a great job.
They did a good job. We'll show you that.
Job, yeah.
So we take it in for the oil filter housing replacement thing, and then that gas, whatever the hell's wrong with that. So the oil filter, they want $400 to change a $20 seal. We told them we're gonna do it ourselves.
Well, I think there's 3 seals and altogether, it's gonna be about probably like $20-some in parts. And we were like, you know what? $400 versus $20-some, and we do it ourselves. We don't know how to do it, but
oh wait,
we'll figure it out.
$400 plus $110 oil change on top of that. So we're looking over $500 for something that we can do for what? $100 oil and parts?
For oil and parts with the seals, you're probably got $100. We'll say $100, yeah.
So no, 400.
Oh yeah,
$400.
Yeah, my math messed up. That's ought to be.
You're not gonna be able to graduate in 2 weeks. You can't even do simple math. Damn. All right, so we didn't have them do that. Now, so we're like, okay, the cars, after they figured what they're not gonna do there, another 4 days go by, and we're like, did you figure out the gas tank? And they said, we'll take a look at it. So they take it to the gas station. They tried it. Apparently, I don't know what they tried, but they couldn't find it. But let me tell you, we brought the car in with a three-quarter tank, and they claim they put $10 in gas, and they only drove it 3 miles, and
even 2 miles. I looked.
2 miles.
They probably blew tires off too.
And the gas level has not changed. So apparently they burned through $10 worth of gas.
They took it easy.
They took it easy. They burned through $10 of gas. So I don't think they did anything. But anyway, you know what they said? Well, what's wrong with our gas tank? They said we need to go to a different gas station.
They said they said most likely there's something wrong with the gas station. Try a different one.
Believe that?
So we tried 4 different ones. 4?
Five different gas stations in our surrounding Pittsburgh area that are nowhere. None of them, by the way, are the same brand.
All different companies.
All
like
different
Sheets,
companies.
BP,
Exxon,
whatever, Marathon.
Try
all different ones.
All 5 different places in our surrounding area that we get gas in this car, all has the same issue. So they're saying what's wrong with that car. The reason why it's overflowing is our. They literally wrote it down on our paper that they said owner needs to try different gas station. What the hell? I wouldn't even put that on the paper.
Well, I think the part that like makes me mad is that it was perfectly fine until they replaced the gas tank. They replaced the gas tank. Now we got headaches, and we're not trying to rip on our dealer because they took care of us, but they tried charging us to for the diagnostics of the gas tank, and we're like, wait a minute, you put the gas tank in, it's under warranty, and you messed it up, and you're gonna make us pay for the diagnostics. But I mean,
so they took that off.
They took that off, and we appreciate that. That was really nice.
And then they charged us to take a look at the oil leak, which we told them what was the issue, and
we told. Let me clarify this. We told them what the problem was, and we basically just wanted a price. Well, they like, oh, we did our diagnostics.
Yeah, and they want to charge for that too.
And they want to charge diagnostics. And we're like, wait a minute, we told you what the problem was. We just wanted a price. So
we took that off.
So they waived that for us too, which we really appreciate.
But you believe that? They said we need to try a different gas station.
And then there's something else I was going to say too. I can't think of what it is, but let's show them the steering wheel.
Yeah, we'll show you guys the steering wheel. The car looks good. Look at it right now. We took it to the dealership clean because we don't want them to wash it.
Yeah, they use those brushes, you know?
Yeah.
Any of you guys detail cars or any of that kind of stuff, and you know what it's like to go through a brush.
Hey, Matt, you looking big right there. How you getting those gains?
Come on, looking, Nick.
How you getting those gains right there? Huh?
I spent a lot of time in the gym.
Huh? Oh, yeah, what else you use? You use something? You use like protein, creatine?
Yeah, you want to see what I use, Nick?
Show me what you use.
This is how I make all my gains. You see this? And then he's hilarious, a complete cookie. Listen, you want these cookies? That's 16 grams of protein. And you know how much a regular cookie has?
I don't know.
Let me turn this off. A regular cookie's got like no protein in it. So this thing, I get to enjoy a nice chocolate chip, and they get all kind of flavors. 16 grams of protein.
It's a complete cookie.
It's a complete cookie.
I like my cookies.
This is a Gaines cookie. Now let me tell you something. Listen.
This is a nice plug right here.
You know what's sick about this? For anybody who wants to buy these, I got a discount code. So if you want to buy these, it'll save you 15%. 15%, that's huge. All you do is use my code. Use my code. Go over here, go check them out. Lenny and Larry's. And I'll tell you right now, they're awesome. They literally taste so good. And look at the back of this. Look at this. Look at all this good stuff in here. None of that garbage. No high fructose corn syrup. Fresh baked. No artificial garbage. Look at this. Vegan, kosher, no eggs, no dairy. I mean, look at this. You can't get any better than that.
And guess what?
Try it out. Save 15%. Use my code right here so you guys can try it out. But
all that money goes towards this car right here. Look at that. It's real nice.
Something like that. So anyways, let's take a look at the steering wheel. So if you guys remember, the top up here was
it's all blurry. Hold on. Let me
chewed up. I mean, it was literally all like white up here. So they redid that for us. Actually, I'll take the camera and make it easier, Nick. Look. So they redid that for us, and it's like, if it'll focus down, if it will, it looks freaking awesome. Look at that. They did a great job on it. And
I can't complain. It feels good too.
Yeah, if you guys want a mileage update, we're at 407,917. It would have been, we would have been probably what, close to
409.
Close to 409 because we put about
almost 700 miles on the loaner.
Yeah, 700 miles on the loaner. But I mean, you know what? At least we save some wear and tear off of this. But yeah, that's that. So what else are we gonna talk about, Nick?
That's pretty much it.
Wow, look at that lighting in there, how bad that is.
Let's go back over here. The lighting's a little bit better.
We need to get like some GoPro or something so we can do some
hey, if you buy some cookies, maybe we can get a little money flow going on, because YouTube demonetizes because we don't get enough subscribers.
Yeah, they say you gotta have 1,000 subscribers, so we got nothing. I mean, it's
not like we made. Yeah, I think we made like 19 bucks.
We made enough to make like a buy a Happy Meal or something.
Buy a Happy Meal, not even. Hell, by the time you get gas in E55, maybe I'll top off the oil.
Oh, hey, by the way, if you guys aren't following us on Instagram, go check us out.
Already plugged it.
Just now?
No, like at the beginning of the video.
Well, I'm telling them again because
they're already followed. They already followed and liked a couple of our pictures and probably shared a video.
Yeah, but listen, you see right here, we got the E63 wheels on here. And I'm pretty sure one of these is bad, maybe a couple more, because the ride quality is like really like, there's a lot of vibrations and it's not normal. So we're thinking about getting a new set of wheels, and we posted, what, a couple days ago?
Yeah.
A little slideshow of some different wheels we're looking at. Not set in stone, it's just like, just a couple of random ones we threw out there. And let us know what you guys think about them. And if you have any suggestions, comment, let us know. This
is a long video, we're getting carried away. You guys can probably tell we're Italian, we're talking about our hands.
Who cares, it's 11 minutes long.
11 minutes babbling on. We don't even know what we're talking about now. I don't even remember what the title of this video is.
You know what's funny? Our videos are not professional at all. We're like slop job.
Like slop job clothes.
You look at you, you like got bad hygiene over here. Like you got this dirty hat.
We weren't supposed to make a video today. We just did it because we thought it was funny. We're driving home. We're like, wow.
What are we at? 11 minutes? Why don't you check this out now? Look, just show them this one too for the back of it.
Huh? This is the Mook right here.
Can we make a video so we put the wheels on, the Boston wheels?
I don't know.
Yeah, we got our sun wheels back on over here.
It look good. Let's go look at the back fit.
The car's a little dirty right now.
Look at that back fit. Look at that. Yeah.
It looks clean. I want to show them this too. Look, this drives me nuts.
Go and show them the nasty ass brakes.
All W211s have this problem. The fender liners, they don't stay. And I took it off and tried adjusting it, and it just won't stay.
Hey, look, D55 has it too.
Here, show what we did here too.
Look right here.
Show them.
Look at this, a problem too. Look, these are brand new brakes. Only got 4,000 miles on them or something like that. No, 10,000 miles.
They put them on when we bought it.
Yeah, look at that.
About 11,000 miles.
Look how rusty that is. Yeah, we drove it at what? We barely drove it in the snow 1 year.
You know why they put the cheap stuff on it?
It's the cheap stuff.
They put the cheap stuff on the dealer. It wasn't even. It was a Porsche dealership, so they probably said, you know what, Mercedes, get out of here. Look at this. We put 3M here so we prevent rock chips because these tires. Yeah, but we probably should put a little bit more. Probably should have, but you know, this video is getting like real random, you know.
Yeah, you might have to do a lot of cutting.
I'll probably do a lot of cutting. What else we talk about? You want to start daily vlogging, Nick?
I don't know about that. Yeah, you can't even keep up with a 1 a week type of deal.
The problem is we have to have the car. The car's got the garage, and we just been slacking lately, Nick.
Slacking?
Yeah. People walking by. What do you want to do? End the video here?
Yeah, let's end the video.
You end it? You want to be in the shot too?
I'll get in a shot.
I'll get in the shot, Nick. We'll go ahead and end it.
Shot, yeah.
It's getting messy.
Oh, look at that sun action right there. Let's just go right here. Oh boy, it's all dirty in there.
Don't get the dirty parts.
We'll go right here. Get the flags. Yeah. Oh, I don't like that view.
I'm hide behind you.
Yeah. No, you gotta go to the other side. Yeah. I keep looking at the lens.
My beard looks nice.
Yeah.
Well, I got some like I got a problem over here. Like so off topic over here.
Yeah.
We're just messing around.
All right, guys. Before we oh my gosh.
Look at that. Right there. Stop. Go ahead. End it.
All right. Before we continue this video for another 25 minutes or so, we're gonna end the video. Let us know what you guys think about what this whole situation is in the comments. And
it's kind of funny, but this video is not. We're not intended to like rip on our dealership because they took care of us. They didn't make us pay for diagnostics, which we really appreciate. But
it's just funny.
Let us know about that oil leak issue for people who know about that. Let us know which seals we need to buy. I think I found a couple of them on FCP Europe. I think there's 3. And what else I want to say? Oh yeah, let us know what you think about the gas leak problem. Yeah. Follow us on Instagram.
TheConfortiBrothers.
Go buy some cookies. And
leave the negative comment on somebody else's channel. And put the good stuff in ours. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh boy, I can't even talk either. Don't forget to subscribe.
It's been a while. We're getting a little rusty over here.
Yeah, we only made like 1 video in the last like month or so. It's been pretty bad.
Yeah,
I know
we had that GLC for a loaner car.
Boy, man, that thing is just not worth the money. Oh, damn.
It's a nice car.
If you guys haven't watched that video, go watch it because it got no love. I think
this video is sloppy. We're all over the place right now. This is sloppy.
It's okay. You know what? We're gonna end this. See you next time. Hey Matt, what are they supposed to do?
Go follow us on Instagram. And you're gonna buy some cookies too.